good, I think. Awesome. Okay, cool. Just as people roll in here, you know, you can start looking at the market or whatever. You can do your thing. What's up, Slap Muffin? Good morning, guys. Reminder, we're doing the semifinals today for the competition. We have 4 traders left. 2 will move on. So just so you guys know, the prize pool, basically 4 traders left. There's going to be 3 prizes, and it's basically going to break down to who comes first, second, third, and fourth in this game. The first place is going to have a small advantage in the finals. They're going to start with $25 more than the other person. And that probably won't make a huge difference considering, you know, they're going to be YOLOing it at the very end. Second place won't get any advantage, but they will get to compete in the finals. Third place will just get $50, and fourth place will get nothing. So, and then in the finals next week, first place will get my book there. Or you can swap it for the second place prize, which is $150, whatever you want. Morning, guys. Good morning. Time to trade with no brains. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, kind of having this lighter style of trading here. We're having a little bit of a stressful week. I'm sure a lot of people are there with me too. Just a reminder, guys, don't trade gold. Just the USD pairs.
Wait, we stopped?
No, not yet.
Oh.
I'll get you guys to start in 2 minutes here. Just we're counting down on the stream there. And if you guys want to stream snipe, you're welcome to watch the YouTube video and look at other people's screens too. But I'm basically going to be explaining everything anyways, so I don't think it'll matter too much. So let me introduce the players a little bit here, guys. Actually, I'll do it once we got the screen going. I'll just let more people roll in. Hello from India. Just started following. Nice, man. Congrats. You're one of the few woke traders now. Damn, you wish you could join. We might do another competition like this in the future. It's a little bit hard to organize and some people don't show up sometimes. But maybe not next month, but a few months down the line we might do something like more extreme. If I can figure out how to do more extreme than this. What's up with the USD pairs? Do you mean the trading competition? We're only trading the USD pairs in this. Or do you mean what's up with the market this week? I don't know, man. It might be because it's a holiday in Canada and the States this week and next week. So, I don't know. It might be that. Love the Discord. Glad to hear it, man. Glad to hear it, John. Finally got into a stream. Yeah, this isn't a normal stream, dude. This is gonna be something silly. From the East Coast, man. From, what is it, Nova Scotia? I got some friends in Nova Scotia. Nice to meet you, dude. Glad you can join. Alright, let's get this started. What's up, guys? Welcome. As we can see here, okay, so you guys can begin trading. We started at exactly the 5-minute live of the stream here. So we're going to give you, once again, 40 minutes. So we'll stop at 45 minutes on the stream timer. And then You'll close all your positions as usual. If you don't close positions exactly when I say you to, you'll be instantly disqualified. All right. Just because it's going to be extremely clutch, I think, at the very last here. So once again, guys, as people are rolling in here, I'll just review basically how this is going to go. We have 4 traders, as you can see. Introduce them right now. We'll start off with Child of Light here. I don't know what I can all say about the different traders because I don't know a whole lot of background from them. But I think Child of Light last time, he just kind of barely won there the last week there. And then we got It's King playing here again. I think he was from the first week, if I remember correctly. The second week? Okay, so it was Child of Light and It's King. I think that came from the second week. And then McLovin, he did super well. He's probably... He in the first round there, he probably did the best out of any of the traders, just consistently making profits. So if you want to cheer for someone who might have the most likely chance of winning, oh crap, we got a 5th player actually joining here. He finally just joined in. So he's only a couple minutes late, so I'm gonna let him play. Let me rename him.
Just do it. From here, should it just...
Peacock. All right. I think he might be able to join in if he can hear me talking here. James is supposed to be the 5th player. He was away at the time, so hopefully he can join in and catch up with these guys and still play. So then we have Stumpy here. I think he did a little bit of bullshittery the first week there, a little bit of fucking around, but he was able to actually pull through and make it to the second round here. And once the 5th player actually does join us here, I might introduce him briefly. But depending on if we have... Hey man, you're just a couple minutes late. We just started 2 minutes ago.
Okay.
So just go ahead and start sharing your screen once you're ready. You got 40 minutes once again. About 43 minutes from now, actually. So you can just get started whenever you're ready. And then we'll keep an eye on it. So once again, guys, since we do have 5 players now, we're going to have 3 people moving forward, okay? And that's what we originally called out for, but we thought that maybe James didn't show up. So the first prize is going to have a slight advantage in the finals, a $25 bonus starting off. The second and third prize are going to be able to play in the finals, and the 4th and 5th players are just going to get completely eliminated. Right? And everyone in the final round will have a prize. Okay, I think I'm
video call. I can do that, can't
I'm gonna mute you, James.
I think so.
Cool. Just somebody talking in the background there. All right, so let's look at what the players are actually starting to do here. Starting off with Stumpy, we see that he's looking for a pound buy, and if I might just want to bring that up on my other screen here so I can actually kind of see what he's looking at.
It's not going well.
A pound buy with 0.2 lots basically, and let's see what kind of logic he's kind of going through here.
Oh, it's just this rejection candle.
Okay, just you were seeing that sweep, and then maybe you saw. Okay, you're looking at the 1 minute, aren't you? Okay, let me pull up. Sorry guys, 1 second. I'm gonna have to pull up this chart there so I can see it on my own screen here. Okay, so the daily trend for the pound was bullish, so he might actually have a really good opportunity for it to actually reverse there. As you can see, we have that previous bullish action. We're coming back down and testing this kind of consolidation area. It's already tested once, and then he was trying to get in on that wick there. So it could easily come back up, and that might actually be a really good trade for him. He's also looking at an odd USD sell, which is actually a little bit stronger. He's doing 0.5 lots, which is actually a pretty strong bet right off the bat. I think these players might be a little bit more aggressive this time because they're really trying to win there. So odd USD, when I'm looking at it on my own screen here, we can see that it's just reaching these tops once again, and I think he's hoping that we're just going to be able to pull back really quickly after basically stopping these people out. I think that's kind of his logic right there.
Yeah, I just realised I shorted Aussie dollar and longed pound dollar, so that doesn't make sense.
Hey, it's a hedge, man. All right, so let's look at McLovin here, and he's gone right away, balls to the wall, one full lot, Euro USD short. And I think beforehand I was telling him that I wanted to short the Euro USD, so maybe that kind of threw him off. And because the trend of the day is actually very bullish, so maybe the short wasn't the best idea, but he's now in a major drawdown, so he might not do so well coming out of this now.
I put too many zeros on my lot size.
Yeah, too many zeros on your lot size. So you can see, I think if it moves up to this high, guys, he's going to get eliminated from that position. He's going to get eliminated from the competition altogether. So that doesn't look super good for him. So he'd actually just completely close that out. All right. So looking at James, we'll give him another minute. He's got what, 6 charts open right now. Oh wow, we got a good profit here on It's King already with a 14% profit. What trade did you take there, man?
EU.
An EU buy?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Probably just going with the trend of the day, trying to ride that up. Saw a little bit of a breakout and then went ahead and closed it off. I believe you've closed that now. So now you're just looking at a GU sell here, and he's just waiting. It's a 0.1 trade, so he's waiting for a little scalp down. Hello from Jamaica, hello from Nigeria, hello from Philippines, and all over the world. How's the FTMO challenge going? Not so well this week, my man. We're down probably 3 or 4%. Last week we were up like 4 or 5% or something. So I'm not in major profit anymore, but I am in profit. We've had a lot of fuckery in the market this week, but that's okay. Love the content. Yeah, thanks, man. Cool. All right, guys, he's just hovering over that. Let's check out Child of Light here quickly. Hey, he's still just waiting on a position. Oh no, he's actually in a position, isn't he? It's just updated. Maybe it was slow updating there for us. I think it slowly updates sometimes here. So we're looking at Swissy USD. He's done. This is flipped around, guys. Is that weird? So he's actually long on the dollar. Long on the dollar on that one because it's flipped around. If you guys notice, usually it's USD Swiss. Hello, man. First time catching you live. I'm a new trader. Cool, man. This is not the normal stream. This is the Wednesday competition. We're just fucking around this week, and we're seeing if we can give away some money to anyone who wins the prize here. So we're just commentating on what these guys are doing. All right. So he's actually hedged. Basically, he's in a long position on the dollar here. Sorry, a short position on the dollar here. And a short position on the dollar here, because both of those are buys for the USD. Yeah, I think I got that right. Unless I'm confusing myself. I might be confusing myself right now. So that's actually really good that he's still following the euro trend of the day. It's still moving to the upside. Let's pull that over here so you guys can see. Now the problem is he does have one full lot on, so if we're looking at the 1 minute here, we can see that if it does drop back down here, it's going to be really risky if it comes back down and tests that support, turn resistance, SR flip type thing, right? If we can see kind of on his screen how it looks here, it might come all the way back down and retest that. So that might be really risky on his side, but if it does continue, that one lot's going to be very beneficial for him to be able to win this trade. And he's just kind of hovering over right now, thinking about it. Let's leave him there. Let's see if James is doing something. James, you're crazy, man. I don't know how you look at 6 charts at once. Alright, cool.
It helps.
So he's also in a euro. A lot of these players trading the long on the euro USD. He's also long on the Aussie, which is, if we remember, I think Stumpy or McLovin was short on the Aussie. I think they closed out of that though, didn't they? Yeah, I think it was Stumpy, and he must have closed out of that one. So still sitting flat and just entering now a sell on the dollar. So we saw sells for the dollar all day. So again, he's trying to get back into that trend. A lot of these players just basically playing that strong dollar trend for today, right? It's my first time watching the competition. It's pretty lit. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. It's a little bit different. So again, guys, if you've rolled in here recently, there's 5 traders currently trading. 3 of them will move on to the finals. Everyone in the finals will get a prize. And the prizes basically lay out as first place gets a book, second place gets $150, third place gets $50. What's up, man?
Hold on, I need to refresh, right? Because it's sticking again. Oh, I know updated. That's a bad position.
What did you do?
Crap. I had to, after I was going to tell you, I need to refresh the page because it's sticking a lot. But
Oh, it's lagging?
Close that.
Okay.
That's a terrible position.
Okay, close it and then refresh the page.
Alright, well, it's updated, so I'm gonna see what happens. Alright, cool. Thanks. Sorry.
Does it work there?
Yeah, it seems, I don't know. I'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So still on a euro USD long for Child of Light. That one lot position's really doing well for him. He's gonna start getting more and more nervous as the trade goes further and further into his position. He's currently 20% up, so that's super strong compared to any of the other players. Let's kind of update you guys all on the players' current values, current equity. So Child of Light, we're seeing about 20% up. King, we're seeing about 14% up. Peacock at about 5% up. And McLovin, the one that I said was possibly the best trader coming into this, now has a 30% drawdown. He's doing the absolute worst right now, and we see an equity of about a 10% drawdown on Stumpy. So the two guys from the first week, it seems, just really struggling. Maybe they haven't been actually caught up. They haven't had enough practice compared to these other guys that recently were trading. Do a challenge for the traders where they flip a small account. That would be pretty insane video. Yeah, that would take a lot of work in order to monitor everyone though. That's the only problem with that. But it's a cool idea, yeah. Playing professional poker is what using trade. Did it freeze again?
Alright. Yeah, and it's going down to negative. I was trying to close it at the 300 mark. I might need to
this is a different trade though. This is a different trade.
I know I closed the previous trade. Look at this. $45, really? Wow.
Go to your account history. There you go. You closed at 130 profit.
This was supposed to close at 300.
Ah man, you closed it too late then.
Yeah, when I clicked it, it didn't update.
Yeah. That's what you get, man. You got to invest in better internet. There's nothing I can do about that. Did you do a copy trade? I don't know what you mean by that, dude. Is there any way to enter this competition? No, it was a random draw. And we have one more week after this week, and then it'll be over, guys. All right, so let's just scroll through the players once again. We're seeing Stumpy still in that dollar sell, 1.14 lots in a sell. I think that's a smart trade if he's just trying to ride the trend for the rest of the day. We're kind of nearing the end of the London session, so this is going to probably just kind of continue the trends that it was throughout the day. There's going to be less and less volatility, less and less market makers kind of bouncing things around. Good. We're seeing Euro USD buys on McLovin here. He's catching back up a little bit, still at a 25% drawdown, but if that goes up really well, then he might, and he's just moving a stop more into profit there. I think it's going to get hit. Yeah, it's hit. He just really didn't want to lose any money there is the thing, but that's kind of opportunity loss. If you make moves like that, you kind of have to accept the risk of actually losing money, and it's going to be a little bit safer. So holy crap, we got a 2.1 lot on odd USD buy. This might be the biggest position so far today, guys. Odd USD buy. Let's look at this odd USD once again on my chart here, pulling it over so you guys can see. We do have this breakout, so maybe he's thinking that that breakout is going to continue up all the way to these previous highs. Did you close it out already?
Yeah.
Cool. What'd you get on that account history?
125.
Awesome. Good. So now we're seeing Peacock taking a little bit of a lead, I guess. Not necessarily a lead. Oh crap. 3 lots on the Euro USD buy, Child of Light. This is super risky, man. It's starting to slow down too. If we break below this level right here, guys, it's all done for him. Look at that. I'm gonna watch this. If it goes to 0, man. If it goes to 0. There you go. You're out. Child of Light's been eliminated, guys.
What a guy. That's the way to go out, though.
He was winning, and then he got pissed off that it closed out late, and he placed a way too heavy order, and we saw a small move like that completely blow the account. All right, guys, so
good job, guys.
Yeah, good job, Child. Thanks for competing. Let's look at the other guys now. So we got It's King here now taking first place with a 26% profit.
Oh, mate.
So far, he's not in any positions right now. Currently in 0 positions, 0 resting orders. He's kind of just sitting, waiting to see what happens here. Remember now, guys, there's only one more trader who's going to not get a prize, right? So just don't be the last trader.
That's nice.
Okay, so we have James Peacock with a 14% profit. We have McLovin getting back up to almost break even. He's got that Euro USD sell. He flipped it and basically stole the position that that Child of Light was trying to do. Closes it out. He's coming back a little bit, making these nice trades. And we have Stumpy back into a drawdown. Stumpy, did you just take a big loss?
Yeah.
What did you do? I thought you were in profit.
I sold this down here, and I thought the dollar was going to go down,
Okay.
but it's reversed now.
You were in profit though, weren't you?
For like a second.
Okay.
I've got to do some big lots here.
Did someone ask for seat of their pants trading with 3 lot? Seat of your pants? What does that mean, dude? Seat of your edge of your chair? Is that what it means? Like excited? Seat of your pants? When do you not sit with your pants? God, man, chat's fucking hilarious. Sell gold, 5 minute. We can't trade gold, dude. No gold trading. All right, what's Stumpy doing here? He's taking a couple buys on Euro, couple buys on odd, but 0.1 lot on each. Basically, just playing that trend again, seeing that retracement there, possibly a wick up. Oh, look at that! It's going up. That's a pretty good move for him.
I hate the spread on this.
Is there spread? There's spread on every broker, dude. And then we got Euro USD sell from McLovin here. He's kind of going against the grain now, trying to actually time the actual reversal, and he's doing it with quite confidence in where his stop loss is too. I'm just wondering why the stop loss is exactly there. It seems like that might be a good entry. There you go. It hits the stop. That might actually be a better entry for a short right there at my first glance, where he put the stop. But you guys tell me. I don't know. You guys think he's an idiot or what? He is losing, so. McLovin.
I'm off today, man. I'm too tired.
Too tired. Yeah, you half of these guys, they were all sleeping when I sent them a message. They all said, "Okay."
That's what I was doing. That's why I was like 2 minutes late.
Yeah, give me another hour. Like 3 of them messaged me saying that they were sleeping. All right. James Peacock, what a geezer. Someone's calling you in the chat, man. The scalping was beyond me. Why are you against trading gold? Yeah, I'm not letting them trade gold because the lot sizing is different in TradingView. So it's gonna wreck anyone who trades it because the numbers are a bit different.
I hate it.
So looking back at It's King, he was the chip leader here. Still the chip leader, getting almost 30% now. So he's kind of sitting nice. We're about halfway through, guys. We're at the 26 mark. So we got another 20 minutes. We're going to be going to 45 on the stream here. I'm not looking at charts right now, dude. If you're asking for me to look at a chart, we're just doing a stream of a trading competition. That's all that's going on today. But you can check tomorrow if you want some chart analysis. Yeah, click the like button if you think these guys will finish with negative accounts. Good job, Adam, man. Alright, sweet. Okay, so we got Stumpy still with that buy on Euro USD. So McLovin got stopped out, didn't he?
Right, check this out. Oh shit.
What am I checking out here?
The lot.
Oh wait, Stumpy, right? That's Stumpy, isn't it? Oh, 3 lot? Is that 3 lot? I get confused with the numbers. Is that 3
Yeah,
lots?
it's 3 lots.
Okay, yeah, that's 3 lots. I forgot if it was 1 million or 100,000. It's weird seeing that. So you got 3 lots, and then another 2.5 lots on other pairs. On your UCAD. So I think this might be the move that's going to make or break him essentially here, guys. USD CAD. He's not even looking at it, which is the funny thing. He's looking at a different chart. So USD CAD, let's pull it up on mine here. We see this breakdown, don't we? And it's just right at this support area, right? So if it does bounce off of there, it could completely ruin him, but he's playing basically based off of that trend. So if we saw, maybe here would have actually been a good shorting area, right, guys? So hopefully he doesn't get stopped out when we come all the way back up there. Let's see how it works out. Stumpy, you're going the wrong way. Speaking of sleep, what is your sleep schedule like? I sleep 4 hours a day, twice a day. So I sleep from 8 to 12 my time, twice. So after this, I go take a nap. And that's basically, it's like London close. So I trade from London open to London close. And then I take a nap. And then I like to be awake like for the sun. So that's why I do that. And then take a nap after dinner again. It's kind of weird because we're in Vancouver, but... Alright, so how is this going here? So he's on the Euro USD buy still, odd USD buy. He's just watching this breakout here.
Yeah, it's not good.
Yeah, that's not going very good at all.
On again.
Let's watch this guy's a little bit more. See. Who needs signals when you can just do the opposite of Stumpy? Oh man, you guys are hilarious. This might actually be a really good rejection point right there. He switched the chart though, so we could see it come off of there. He might be interested in getting out of the position though if it goes above there. That's just kind of my guess. Let's jump over to somebody else.
I just think scalping is gambling.
Yeah, scalping is essentially gambling unless you're really good. I would
No,
think.
there's scalping strategies that you can use. I use one of them, but this isn't a strategy that I'm doing at the moment. It's just whacking a huge lot size on the trend.
There we go. We got McLevin almost back at break even. He ate up over 30% drawdown, and he's coming all the way back slowly and surely. We got James Peacock now at a 20% up draw. Did you just hit a trade, man? What did you close out? Was it a Euro USD?
It was odd USD sell.
Odd USD sell. Can you click account history? I think that one shows better.
Yeah. There you go.
Nice. Good stuff. 50-50. Nice. Awesome. Good trades, man. Those are a lot of winning trades in a row. James Peacock doing well. It's King. Let's see if he's still winning. With oh crap, yeah, man. Winning with a 32% profit right now. There's not a whole lot that he has to be worried about here unless some people just go completely nuts. All he needs to do is not lose at this point, right? Everyone just needs to not lose because the first place prize doesn't really offer you that much of an advantage in the finals. And
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Stumpy, we jumping back to the UCAD YOLO trader. It went a bit too high. Watch this, guys. Look at this. I drew the box. Remember that? That was 2 minutes ago. And he just closed it out.
This is the make or break.
Watch this dump right now, and that would have been his win. He closed it, didn't he?
Oh, everything's gone against me.
Look
Whenever
at
I
this.
get out the trade, it goes the opposite direction.
Look at this. That's why. It's because I drew the purple box. It's funny because you can't see what I'm showing you guys, but it's because I drew the purple box. That's why it's dumping now.
The thing is, you're speaking saying, oh, so-and-so's bought. So I look at the chart and I buy with them, and as soon as I buy it, it goes down.
Don't follow them, dude. You gotta
They're
make
doing
up your own
something
money.
right.
It's because you're delayed. It's because you're delayed. All right, so McLevin's still slightly losing here, looking for another trade.
Why is there no good Euro USD on here? I can't find any.
Andre, I haven't seen any part of this challenge yet. Is this just with the viewers?
Okay, this one.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't really understand exactly what you're talking about. This challenge right here is just a live trading competition. It's just for fun, between some people in the Discord. Just some random people that I picked, and whoever wins is gonna win some money.
It's also bragging rights in Dingus General.
Yeah, exactly. So maybe I'll give you a special rank or something.
It'd be better than really.
Yeah, I'll give you the don't listen to me rank.
Oh, if this works.
Alright, cool. So we got another 10 minutes, only 10 more minutes, guys, and then we're going to wrap it up. We don't need to run much longer than that. I think people get a good idea of the actual trades here. So a reminder, guys, we had one person eliminated today already for anyone new jumping in here. And we only need one more person to be eliminated. 3 people are going to move on to the finals, and all 3 people are going to win a prize depending on how well they do next week.
Where am I at the moment?
So let's roll over the positions. We got We got Stumpy in a major drawdown. He's gonna have to pull something out of his ass in order to win this. He's probably the most likely to lose at this point.
Don't say that.
Probably. Well, that's just the fact, my man. You're the most likely to lose. You have the lowest account, right? But you know, it's all kind of random by the end. Okay, so we got McLovin at essentially exactly break even at this point. He's doing a great job at pulling back up. I wonder if it's because he's using this DOM and he's got faster order execution. Maybe that's his secret now. James Peacock sitting at a 21% profit. Still in the same position that we were looking at, completely flat on all orders. I think he's just kind of making sure that he's a little bit safe at this point, but he is putting, is that a 25 lot position?
Oh yeah, I've been doing huge lots all the time.
Oh yeah, 25 lot.
Yeah, 25,
Holy
1.5,
crap.
21.
Well, that's what I'm doing wrong.
Oh yeah, you're not using big enough lots, guys.
Yeah, I've only been catching like half a pip.
I love the risk management. 3 lots on a 1K account. Yeah, and no stop losses either, guys. That's the great thing about this demo trading. It's a lot more fun. Alright, so is King here looking for a euro sell? See if he does anything here. Maybe he's gone AFK. Alright, yeah, there he is. He's just looking for a euro sell. Let me just jump on euro on my screen here. We can see quite clearly a retrace coming into the New York side of the day.
Oh my! Oh no! What?
What's going on, Stumpy? Let's look at Stumpy. He's screaming.
So that was just at 1,200 equity.
Oh, it pumped up there. Oh, and then you close it out. I see what you're doing. Okay, and you put, how big was that trade? That's a huge trade. Holy crap, 30 lot? Is that 30?
30 lots.
Crap, man.
Oh, no.
It's getting more and more ridiculous. No matter, he just doubled his account in half a second, and then closed it out and only made $100. Okay, it's gonna be hard to watch all of these guys at once as it gets nearer and nearer. We got 7 minutes left, guys. So if we go over the positions again, we have it's King flat, but he's considering a Euro USD long here, as the trend starts to shift back into the uptrend of the day. He's just placed that order right now, and he's at about 21% profit. It's a huge position, and he's just looking to close that out once it goes into a little bit of profit. Quickly scanning to the other guys here, we see James Peacock once again still flat. He's at 20% profit, tied basically for first with It's King. McLovin is finally now in profit using that, what is this, 10 lots? 10 lots on Euro USD sell, and he's also just using that quick buy sell market orders right there, and he's roughly at break even. Stumpy is now in a major drawdown at 500. We're gonna have to be jumping around a lot here to make sure I watch to see if this guy gets down to 0. If we see it at 0,
there's a bit of lag when you close it, so you'll have to wait on the close position as soon as it's in a second of profit.
Yeah, exactly. Just gonna have to watch here. So we saw It's King closing out that Euro scalp already. He's now at 37% profit, and nobody's even contesting him basically at this point. 300 equity down on Stumpy.
I accidentally closed it.
Oh crap.
Looks good.
So another, just about 5 minutes, guys. You got 5 minutes. We can see if we can turn this 300 into 1,000, and then he could possibly win. And he's gonna have to beat, basically, it's McLovin here at basically break even. I think.
I've just gone into dodgy 25 lot position.
Interesting.
And I'm at minus 400 on it at the moment.
Oh
So,
man, this could be your downfall too. Okay, he's roughly closing out at break even. He just wants to make sure that he doesn't get anywhere near Stumpy. I think what's funny is Stumpy was the one that messaged me before starting the tournament today and said, "Do you think I can win by not trading?"
I was thinking that just going in.
Just about one without trading.
Yeah, pretty much. And there you go, eliminated. All right, good game, Stumpy. It was good watching you trying to recover, but you lose, unfortunately. And then congratulations, I suppose, for the other 3 players.
Yes.
You
If
all,
anyone wants to fund me 1,000, I'll turn it into 1 million.
Still got 2 minutes, right?
yeah, there's still a couple of minutes. There's gonna be one winner, right? Basically, at this point.
Okay.
The rest of you, you're all guaranteed to get into the finals, and congratulations, you all win something now.
So we're all guaranteed it now because I'm just thinking of a 250 lot trade.
Yeah, you're all guaranteed
Okay, cool.
it. And the only advantage is the winner is only going to start with $25 more, so it'll be 1,025. So there's just going to be that slight advantage.
So could you have won this by being the 3rd person to blow your account?
Yeah, if you blow your account right now, you're still going to make it into the finals. You all have officially passed.
Cool.
As I see all of you going about blowing your accounts. 200.
I've just got done by a 12,000 pip spread.
Oh my god!
Pounds.
I know. We got that. Oh man, that was funny. That was funny, man. All right.
Come on, I just need to go 0.1 pip up, and then I'm
All right.
times my account by 5.
So I think It's King has just left it here. We'll give you guys another minute, and then I'm gonna call it. We'll see if McLevin can take over the first place.
What?
This dude trading like a 17-year-old trader, forgot his name though. I think you're talking about either Eds or Jamie, trading with Jamie. Those 2 guys basically trading like this. Yeah, this kind of act seriously hampers live performance. Yeah, it's just for fun, dude. It's just for fun. We're just fucking around. Alright, so just 2 of them here right now. We'll see who can get it. We got It's King at 1372. We got McLevin at 800. He's got 75 lots running. And he's just basically gonna rely on this buy. See if it. Oh, there you go. Wow. Eliminated. All right, guys, that's it. The only player not eliminated. It's King. Congratulations. You're gonna start with a slight advantage next week when we start.
I've still got a 1,000 lot position on AU.
Yeah, dude, you went.
Good game, guys. Good job.
Oh well, I didn't want Hunter's book anyway.
No, you'll. So the winner of if anyone's watching here, the winner of next week is gonna get my trading book there. If you don't want my trading book for whatever reason, you can take $150 instead from the second place prize. The second place prize is going to get the $150, and then the third place prize is going to get $50. And it's basically just for fun. These guys traded without any actual capital, so I thought it was just kind of nice to give these guys something
James,
like that.
This is
James,
ridiculous. My
You're still in a better
2.5.
drawdown than really.
My 2.5 thousand lot is getting rejected by the broker.
Yeah.
What is going on here?
Imagine you could go negative. 10 out of 10 entertainment. All right, guys, I hope you
Come
enjoyed
on,
that.
hold on, I've nearly got 35 grand if it goes up.
Oh yeah, yeah. Too bad
Come on.
you had to mortgage your entire house to cover that position. All right, guys, that's all for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. If you guys got any actual trades that you want me to look at. Tomorrow you got actual questions, then we can do that. But thanks for watching.
Yes, I'm 150 grand up. Come on. Equity 100.